Hello friends, welcome back to our another Factone learning series video. In my previous video, I completed this topic about how to create a purchase invoicing by import and by manually both. Okay, so in today video, I will guide you about this purchase credit note. Okay, how to generate a purchase credit note. So you can see here two options. One is import, another is create a credit note. Okay, so you can see here import. I will tell you in next video. Okay, because it was very simple. So I will show you by manually. Okay, here you can see the invoice also. So when you click here, then you go directly redirect to invoice page, purchase invoice page. Okay, so here is one option of create a new credit note, and another option you get from here, this purchase invoicing page, you get here this credit note. Okay, so both will vice versa. Okay, in this invoicing page you get this credit note also, and in credit note page you got this purchase invoicing also. Okay, so let me show you. Let's come here and create the data. So you can see here we have a few details to fill. Okay, first company name, then document number, then you have to enter invoice date, then you have to enter due date, reference number. If you have any reference number or you want to add any reference number, then you have to enter here, and this is not clickable, so you can leave this part. And so here item, so here you can add your item manually. Okay, and if you want to add your product in bulk, so you can choose this option and you can add your product in bulk, and then you can add discount, retention, and here you have to choose account detail, then terms and condition. Okay, so let me fill the detail. Suppose I am going to create this purchase credit note for this, okay, this company, and then I have to enter the document number. Okay, then we can choose the invoice date, and due date will be same of invoice date, or maybe you can choose the different date. It depend upon you. And then I'm leaving this reference, and it was not clickable as I told you. I want to add my data in bulk and then save. Now here you can modify the quantity, pricing, everything you can modify here. Okay, you can add here your VAT in percentage, and amount will be automatically added. Okay, rest column you can delete, and now you can see here the discount. Okay, I am adding discount of 2%, retention I am adding 15. Okay, now choose the account detail, and now terms and condition. So terms and condition, it's depend upon you what you want to add in here. So I am simply adding this, so it's up to you. So you can see here our purchase credit note is ready. What you do next, you have to save it. That's it. So you can see here your credit note is done. Okay, here you can view it, and if you want to edit anything, you can press this edit option. If you want to duplicate or copy this, simply copy it, and then if you want to delete this, then you simply delete. Suppose you have a credit note in large amount, okay, and you want to filter specifically date wise or any organization wise and any status wise. So simply you have to choose this data, like choose filter these things and just apply, then your result will be appear, and then you can reset the filter. And yes, here is the option to export the data. Okay, and if suppose you want to direct find, like want to search directly, so just enter here your document number and just do the search. Okay, so that's it, and hope guys it will clear with you. Okay, if you have any queries, you can do comment, and if you like it, then please do like, subscribe, and in my next video I will show you the format of import a credit note. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you guys in next video.